A busy kitchen isn't always about cooking. It's the constant chopping, peeling, cleaning, and repeating that quietly eats away at your day. The right gadget won't turn you into a chef overnight, but it can cut down the boring work. In today's countdown, we've picked 15 smart Amazon kitchen gadgets that do exactly that. Some are surprisingly simple, while others save you a lot of hours. Number 15. Electric Fish Scaler. Cleaning fish can be a real hassle, but this electric fish cleaner makes it simple and quick. Its powerful motor scrapes off scales effortlessly, while the ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, so you can work without strain. The stainless steel roller blade with a protective cover keeps you safe, and thanks to its IP7 water resistance, you can even rinse it under running water as you clean. With a built-in battery, you're free to use it anywhere without worrying about cords. Number 14. Hydream Stovetop. Tired of cluttered countertops while cooking? This silicone magnetic stove shelf instantly adds storage without taking up space. Powerful magnets lock it firmly in place, even when opening the oven door. Heat-resistant, washable, and rust-free, it safely holds spices and condiments right where you need them. Flexible yet sturdy, it also blocks items from falling behind the stove, making it a simple upgrade that brings order and convenience to your kitchen. Number 13. Wine Glass Holder. Why have your wine glasses cluttering the counter when you can hang them neatly? These racks go under the cabinet and give your glasses a proper spot. They hold 3 to 6 glasses depending on the size. Keep them safe and make them easy to grab. And the best part, no drilling needed, just stick them on. They're made from strong, rust-proof plastic, so they'll last in your kitchen, bar, or dining area. Number 12. Moss and Stone Electric Crepe Maker. Breakfast just got easier. This electric crepe pan lets you make crepes, pancakes, tortillas, or blintzes in seconds. The surface heats evenly in about 30 seconds, and the temperature control stops your food from burning. It's small and easy to handle, fits right in any kitchen, and cleaning is simple. Just wipe it with a damp cloth and you're done. Also, the automatic temperature control prevents burning, so every batch comes out perfect. Number 11. Yonanas. Got a freezer full of frozen fruit? Turn it into creamy, smooth ice cream in seconds with Yonanas. No sugar, no dairy needed. From fruity parfaits to keto-friendly sorbets, just toss in your fruit, press a button, and you're ready to enjoy. It's super easy to clean, comes with 36 recipes, and makes healthy treats something everyone can enjoy. Number 10. Premium Apple Corer Tool. Effortless coring made simple. This smart kitchen tool uses sharp stainless steel twin blades with serrated edges to glide through apples, pears, peppers, and even cupcakes with ease. Once the core is removed, the blades open instantly to drop it out. No mess, no hassle. Sleek, efficient, and satisfying to use, this corer quickly becomes a go-to gadget for faster prep and cleaner results in everyday cooking. Number 9. Rice Cooker. Making rice or quinoa has never been easier. With the KitchenAid Smart Rice Cooker, you don't have to guess water amounts. It measures everything for you. The built-in scales and water reservoir make sure your grains come out perfect every time. And with 21 programs, you can cook rice, beans, couscous, and more. There's even a steam basket for veggies, so you can cook a full meal at once. Some people think it's a bit pricey for what it does, but many say it's totally worth it for the convenience. Number 8. Carrot Sharpener. You can get it for around $14, and this carrot peeler, shaped like a pencil sharpener, effortlessly peels, curls, and creates beautiful vegetable ribbons for your culinary creations. It simplifies kitchen tasks while adding a creative touch to your dishes. More than just a peeler for carrots or potatoes, it works great on a variety of vegetables like zucchinis, eggplants, and beets. With its sharp, sharpener-like blade, it transforms ordinary peeling into making elegant vegetable ribbons. Use it not only to peel, but also as a cutting tool to expand your cooking possibilities. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, this peeler is also dishwasher safe, combining health and convenience for everyday use. Number 7. Fullstar Mandoline Slicer. Elevate your kitchen prep with this versatile 5-cup mandoline slicer. 6 interchangeable blades let you slice, grate, and spiralize veggies effortlessly for zoodles, garnishes, and more. Safety is a priority with razor-sharp stainless steel blades, protective glove, and finger guard, while the BPA-free ABS body ensures healthy cooking. Number 6. Post-freeze wine glasses. Serve your wine at the ideal temperature every time with this stemless wine glass set. Insulated walls with cooling gel chill whites in the freezer or keep reds perfectly at cellar temperature. Each glass features a comfy silicone grip for easy handling. Excellent for outdoor gatherings or cozy evenings. Stylish, practical, and temperature smart, these tumblers quickly become your go-to wine accessories. Number 5. Smart Cutting Board. This might be the best kitchen set I've ever seen. Not just because each cutting board is clearly labeled to prevent cross-contamination, but also because each one comes with its own unique feature. For example, the vegetable board has a built-in garlic grater. The bread board includes extra grooves to grip your loaf securely. And the fish board has tiny spikes to keep your fish from slipping around. Plus, each board comes with knives designed specifically to match it. What really sets this self-cleaning cutting board set apart is its electronic drying function, which stops water from pooling on your countertop and keeps your cutting tools clean and dry. It's both highly functional and looks great in any smart home kitchen. Number 4. Grillaholics Grill Brush. If you grill often, you know how messy it can get. This bristle-free triple helix grill brush cleans your grill without leaving any tiny metal bits behind, so it's safe for everyone. It works on charbroil, ceramic, and infrared grills, and even gets rid of years of stuck-on grime. Forget those old scrapers. This one makes your grill ready for your next cookout in no time. Number 3. Electric Wine Saver. Extend the life of your favorite wines with the Electric Wine Saver Pump and Vacuum Stopper Set. Effortlessly preserve red, white, and rose wines as the automatic pump extracts air and stops when the bottle is perfectly sealed. Reusable and eco-friendly, the food-grade wine stoppers maintain freshness without altering flavor. Number 2. Smart Fridge. Change description. This smart refrigerator makes your kitchen easier and more connected. It can connect to Wi-Fi, so you can control settings, get alerts, and check inside using your phone. It has a touchscreen to manage grocery lists, find recipes, or play music. It even has a camera inside to help with meal planning or shopping when you're not home. It has different temperature zones to store food just right and works with voice assistance for hands-free use. Extra features might include automatic water refills, energy tracking, or meal planning help. With a stylish design like French doors, this fridge adds both function and a modern look to your kitchen. If you want, I can share more details or suggestions. Number 1. Hamilton Coffee Maker. This smart coffee maker simplifies brewing with voice control and app integration. It connects seamlessly to Alexa, allowing users to start, stop, and adjust settings hands-free. The front-fill water reservoir makes refilling effortless, while the drip-free carafe ensures a mess-free pour. Customizable brew strength lets users enjoy coffee just the way they like it. A built-in clock syncs automatically, keeping time accurate for scheduled brewing. The automatic shutoff feature adds safety and convenience. Designed for modern kitchens, it blends technology with practicality, making mornings smoother. The intuitive setup ensures quick pairing with smart devices, eliminating complicated steps. Its sleek design complements any space while delivering reliable performance. Ideal for busy households, it offers efficiency without sacrificing quality. Enjoy fresh coffee with minimal effort, thanks to its advanced features and user-friendly operation. A perfect addition to any routine. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.